Hey guys, in this video, I will talk about how you can make money through Instagram. There are a lot of ways through which anyone can make money through Instagram. These ways are very easiest and very worthy. You can make a lot of money through it. So let's get started. In this video, we will cover a lot of topic about Instagram earning sources. How you can use your Instagram account as a earning source. So let's get started. First of all, guys, here we will see Instagram as an advertising channel. Instagram offers various options to make money via advertising. First up is the option of engaging in what is called affiliate marketing. With this method, you promote a company's product by linking it to in a post. If users click on the link, or in the best case scenario, if they make a purchase, you collect a commission. It's simple like we do on affiliate marketing on our websites. Here you will use Instagram as the source of affiliate marketing. Once your product is sold or your company's product is sold, you will earn commission through it. For example, the product price is $100 and the commission on that product is 1%. So you will earn $10 on it. I'm sure you have confirmed through this example. So let's move to the next topic, sell your own products. Yet another possibility is to use Instagram to market and sell products that you already offer elsewhere. This option is primarily aimed at companies that have a warehouse or similar facility in which they store goods that they are already sell on other sites. Look, this is a very easy method. You if you are a company or you are launching your own products, so you can earn a lot of money through it by selling it on Instagram. You don't need to open the shop, you don't need to go to market to sell it. You can sell it online using your Instagram account. How it is possible? Let's discuss more. In order to able to sell something using the function designed explicitly for that purpose, all you have to do is upload your picture in a post or a story. There you can market the products and publish them with very little effort. Posts that have been marketed with a product will then appear in the user feed with a shopping bag symbol in the corner. I'm sure you have been cleared through this step. If you have a lot of number of followers, a good number of followers, a fan following, you can promote your products there, and your fan following or your followers or your subscribers should be to the niche relevant. Like if you are selling beauty related products like face powder, etc., nail polish, etc., then your audience should be of that product. Like your audience should be female so that they can see and buy your products. Next topic is earn money with your photos. Instagram is perfect for photographers eager to share their work with the world. Of course, you won't be the first person to come up with the idea, which is why the market has become extremely competitive. Still, if you have enough patience and knack for drawing user attention, it is entirely possible to earn some additional money via stable sale of photos. The most important thing is to make sure your photos are high quality. The better your pictures, the more likely you are to convince user to buy them. Here you can sell your photographs. You can see here as we have a shutterstock.com website. Also, you can publish your photos there, but we will use Instagram as an earning source. You need to publish some of good photographs on Instagram, and if people want to buy them, you should attach a logo or a credit on your photo. Okay, otherwise if you don't attach or don't link a autograph or a credit, then user can download it for free and use it. No one need to buy it. But if you link it or paste it your logo, then people will like to remove that logo and use it for their own purposes. So they will contact you that I want a original copy of this photo and I want to buy it. So you can sell them and remove the logo, and you can earn a lot of money through it. Instagram is a best source. You just need to grow up your account. How to grow up account? Just publish niche relevant things and also follow that people who are niche relevant. Like you have to go to big pages of beauty related. Okay, so on beauty related pages or beauty related accounts, you need to follow all the audience. They will follow back you. Now you have a little amount of that followers. Now you need to publish the account regularly. They will share your post, so your account will be grow and you can start your journey on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will meet in another video.